Hello, welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be learning about the mirror pattern. So there are two ways you can use the mirror pattern in SolidWorks. The first way is you can use it to mirror a feature, which is, in this example, we are going to be learning how to mirror a feature. And in the next example, we are going to be learning how to mirror a body, which is the second way to create a mirror pattern. So let's open the first file. So download the asset folder so you can follow along. I'm going to open mine where I saved it. So it'll be mirror 1. I'll click open. So to mirror a feature is pretty simple. All you have to do is come to your mirror. Your mirror is over here, select it. And the first option is asking you is to select the plane. So right here we have our plane. So if your arrow is not, the drop down is not shown, you can click on the drop down to show it. So we're just going to hover over the planes, and we are trying to mirror this circle to the right side. So when we hover over this, we know we are going to mirror it about the right plane. So we'll select the right plane because the right plane is dividing this first half from the second half. So, and the next thing we are going to do is select our feature. So under the feature, we can select the circle on the screen, but it's best to select it from the feature manager tree, which is right here. And it gives you the preview. And if yours is not showing, you can click on the partial preview or full preview. So, and we are going to click OK. And that is how the mirror tool works. The next example is we are going to mirror the body. So let's open our part file. The mirror tool, open. So to mirror the body, again, all you have to do is click on mirror. We have to select your plane, the first plane. We are going to select this face because we are mirroring this. So we'll select that face. So this time, instead of selecting the feature to mirror, we'll come down to body to mirror. And in the body to mirror, we'll just select this entire body. So if you hover over it, it will give you the option to select it. And again, you can show your preview, full preview or partial preview, and you click OK. And that is how the mirror tool works. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.